Hi, I'm Steve Murphy, and welcome to the Insider Exclusive. Today, we are showcasing America's TV legal commentators and TV judges featuring Julia Sylva. Stay tuned. Today I'm honored to have with us the Assistant City Attorney of Walnut. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Julia Sylva.
Right.
Is that the correct pronunciation?
That's the correct pronunciation.
You remind me of one of those top TV judges. You do.
Good.
You got
good.
the spunk, you got everything going for you.
Yeah.
And you've been a public servant for many years, haven't you?
Yes, I have. Thank you for the announcement of the judge situation. That's another aspiration of mine. But regarding, yes, my whole career has been in public law. I've been involved with representing cities and other public agencies, advising them on all the public policy issues that they must decide upon. And also I do a lot of seminars and a lot of training for elected officials, and I enjoy that.
There are many practices of law. Why did you decide to get involved with the public sector, helping municipalities, cities? In fact, I think you were even a mayor of a city around here, Hawaiian Gardens, right?
Well, that answers the question. I was exposed to public law at a very young age, actually before I went to law school, and I enjoyed the public law aspect of observing my city attorney, and I enjoyed the ability to influence policy and the ability to solve problems and set policy. It's really something that's very exciting for me. And so I was given the opportunity right out of law school. After I had served my 4-year term on the city council, I was given the opportunity to go to law school and then got hired as a city attorney right away.
Your career, 23 years as a public servant almost, right? Representing a lot of cities. You had the opportunity to really help a lot of people in that capacity, right?
Yes.
And you probably see that you could even do that even more being, you know, on TV as a judge, because a lot of people will look to you and how you settle and adjudicate cases, and they'll look to, you know, the thought process that goes into that, right?
Right.
Is that something you're aspiring to?
Yes, absolutely. I take my success very seriously. I'm very active in mentoring young women, particularly women, underprivileged women. I mentor at least a half a dozen a year to aspire to get a formal education and to get a professional career.
How do you mentor them?
I spend time with them. They can follow me around all day, and I explain to them what I'm doing. Like I go to a hearing or I go to a meeting, and I invite the young ladies to join me and sit there and take notes, and I spend time with them on the phone if they have any personal issues or issues related to school or issues related to their career. I'm available to assist. I mean, I think that's very important for us to serve as role models when we've had a great life ourselves.
If you're a young lady in law school now, what advice would you give to them when they're looking to join the business world, you know, the legal world? Because they have a lot of hours to work, right?
Oh, yes.
Their time is going to be occupied a lot with, you know, work. What advice do you give to them?
Well, hopefully, if you're talking about young ladies that are currently in law school, I strongly encourage them to be involved in law school with issues related to moot court and clerk for a federal judge and be on law review. Those credentials are very important and very significant on a resume, and hopefully they can garner some experience that's valuable serving in those capacities. Once you graduate from law school, I strongly encourage being involved not only as a professional lawyer, of course getting the appropriate training, but getting involved with organizations in a not-profit capacity. I find it very fulfilling and very satisfying to be able to continue to assist the community in a pro bono capacity.
Thanks for being on the show. I appreciate you coming here.
Okay.
Okay?
Great. Thank you.
All right. I want to thank you very much for watching our show. You can catch more of these shows at www.insiderexclusive.com. Come back again.